In this video, we will go over the Plan to Win module. This module gives you an overview of what you need to do and why you need to do it with your client. Welcome to Sales Optimizer's Opportunity Optimizer dashboard. Find the module in the dashboard and click to open it up. Once it opens, you'll see three sections for input. The Notes section, the goal of the sale with the objective, obstacles, desires, and successes, and finally, your key initiative. When you hit the Edit button, you can input information for each section as you capture it during the sales cycle and further enhance your plan. Additionally, you'll notice the checkboxes to the far right. What they do is by selecting them, you feed the information to other modules. In this case, you can select the MAP module, which is the mutually agreed upon plan. Don't forget to click on the Save button as you move along. And consider updating your strategy as new information concerning your account becomes available. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at salesoptimizer.com.